Shoppers wading through the plentiful offerings in the subcompact crossover arena are inundated with options, many of them intriguingly styled and brightly colored. The Chevrolet Trax isn't one of those. Its restrained styling caters more toward modest buyers who prefer fewer eyes on them in traffic. It's comfortable and handles competently, but its weak turbocharged engine does nothing to stir the soul. Speaking of soul, driving enthusiasts will want to direct their attention to the 10 best cars winning Kia Soul or the zippy Mazda CX-3. A long list of standard equipment, which includes touchscreen infotainment and onboard Wi-Fi, is the Trax's saving grace and represents much of its appeal. High's commanding seating position, standard infotainment features aplenty, confident handling. Low's sluggish engine, cheap-feeling interior, shortage of active safety equipment. Verdict: an unassuming but serviceable entry lost in a field of more distinctive options. What's new for 2018? Chevrolet has given the Trax some visual punch for 2018 by introducing the Redline Edition appearance package, which adds black exterior trim, black 18-inch wheels with red stripes, and black leatherette and cloth seating surfaces. The Redline Edition is available on the LT model for $1,350. The Premier trim now comes standard with forward collision and lane departure warnings and gains a sunroof. 3 new colors are available: Storm Blue Metallic, Sandy Ridge Metallic, and Cajun Red Tint Coat, which is the only extra cost paint option, $395. What was new for 2017? The Trax received a visual freshening for 2017 that brought a more handsome exterior and a modernized interior. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto became standard, and several new active safety features joined the options list. The top trim level was also renamed Premier, replacing LTZ. Trims and options we'd choose: our chosen Trax, a front-wheel drive LT, sees a $100 price increase versus last year's model and starts now at $23,895. Like last year, we'd select the $450 LT convenience package, which adds a 6-way power edge. Only one engine is offered in the Trax, and it's not a great one. The turbocharged 1.4-liter inline 4 makes 138 horsepower, a low number for this segment, and it's buzzy and unrefined. What's new for 2018? Unfortunately, the Trax receives no changes under the hood for 2018. We expect similar performance as last year's model and the same unrefined quality from the Turbo 4. 2017 Chevrolet Trax around town. The engine's turbocharger provides a decent amount of low-end punch as soon as you need to pass or merge on the highway. However, the engine runs out of steam, providing more noise than actual acceleration when you step on it. The 6-speed automatic is smooth enough, but often executes sluggish shifts and is sometimes reluctant to downshift. The Trax is pocky despite the fact that we tested the car with its lighter front-wheel drive setup. Its upscale cousin, the Buick Encore, offers a more powerful turbocharged engine that gets to 60 miles per hour 1.5 seconds quicker. You will spend more money for the Buick's additional oomph, as it starts at more than $27,000 with that optional powertrain. Usable driver's seat, keyless entry, and push-button start. We'd also select the driver confidence package for $495, which includes rear parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, at $24,840. Our Trax LT represents a good value. Those who want all-wheel drive will pay $1,500 more. There's not much variation among the Trax's competitive set in terms of fuel economy, both by the EPA's standards and in our real-world testing. The Trax's drivetrain provides a subpar combination of fuel efficiency and acceleration that is worse than its rivals. What's new for 2018? The Trax's EPA fuel economy estimates haven't changed for 2018, and that's not surprising given that Chevrolet hasn't altered the powertrain or changed anything that would affect the Trax's aerodynamics. We'd bet on similar performance in our real-world testing, too. 2017 Chevrolet Trax. As with most of these small SUVs, Selecting all-wheel drive results in worse fuel economy. The EPA ratings dock the all-wheel drive Trax by 3 miles per gallon on the highway and 1 mile per gallon in the city. For this review, we tested only the front-wheel drive version of the Trax. We've devised our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out and back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We maintain a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour and use the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. The front-wheel drive Trax underperformed in this test, falling short of its EPA number by 4 miles per gallon. That's 1 mile per gallon behind its competitors' results, and most of those tested models were equipped with all-wheel drive. The tested front-drive Kia Soul not only achieved better fuel economy but also provided a whopping 63 horsepower advantage over the Trax and accelerated to 60 miles per hour nearly 3 seconds quicker. The Trax's relatively large fuel tank means it can cruise for longer than most competitors without filling up. Aside from its subpar powertrain, the Trax drives well, with composed handling and a comfortable ride. The Trax's powertrain provides weak acceleration, even among a class of vehicles not known for sprightliness. What's new for 2018? Nothing. The 2018 Trax is mechanically unchanged from last year's model. Acceleration: the 1.4-litre turbo engine's low-end torque makes for decent off-the-line pep, but the engine feels strained when you attempt to merge or pass on the freeway. The 6-speed automatic transmission is sometimes reluctant to downshift to a lower gear when you need more power. Ride, handling, and steering: a firm ride and good body control give the Trax a feeling of solidity, and quick steering makes it agile in parking lots and urban areas. There's less body roll in corners than you'd expect given the Trax's tall stature, although the handling isn't as responsive and eager as competitors such as the Mazda CX-3 and the Kia Soul. Braking: the Trax's brakes are among the strongest in its class, and the pedal feels firm and the confidence inspiring.